Hello everyone. In today's video, we're hoping to show you guys the projects that are currently going on for our building restoration. In the previous video, we showed you the projects that were either complete or nearly completed. Today, we're going to show you the projects that we're just getting started on, and we're hoping to keep the Sangha involved and keep people excited and supporting our building restoration campaign. So one of the places we're going to start as soon as the snow and ice retreats is in this section outside the meal gong. See, there's two sections of the building. There's a guest wing and there's the residence wing that includes the dining room. These two buildings come together with a roof saddle made of copper. This area has been leaking for a long time. It was leaking this weekend. We've even had leaks inside the caisando. So once the snow and ice melts, we're going to restore and repair that section of the building in hopes that our residents don't have to climb up on the roof every time it snows to prevent leaks in here. So one of the areas that we're looking to pay some attention to, now that we have these new heating systems, is keeping some of that heat in the building. These insulated curtains and draft stops are great, but as you can see, the doors have a lot of trouble sealing. All of the original weather stripping has been removed and some of the doors are warped. So before we get to the actual door replacement, we're going to go through the entire building with new weather seals and weather stripping so that we can trap some of this new heat in the building and keep running as efficiently as possible. So building on the success we had in the Dharma Hall and the Zendo with those heat pumps, we wanted to use similar technology for our guest wing. So we're going to be using mini split units, and we've already started with the engineering on this project. So if you come in the room here, we have a decent furnace, a decent boiler that runs downstairs and runs heat through these types of radiators. But what we're looking to do is add mini splits to these rooms so that we can have individual climate control that's far more efficient and continues to lower our costs and our carbon footprint. So the next project we're in contract to complete is this moss remediation on the cedar shake roofs. Obviously, we got to wait for the snow to burn off to do this, but we have a contractor lined up that's going to remove that moss and add a zinc treatment to stop it from regrowing and doing the damage it's causing on our cedar shake roof. So one of the nicest architectural details on our building is this exposed set of rafter tails, but you can see that they're rotting and degrading from being out in the weather. We've already started the exterior painting process and the process of restoring these rafter tails. This one behind us is one that we were able to get to before the freezing temperatures. So we're looking to finish this and all of the other projects that we talked about today in the months to come. And then we're going to be circling back and letting people know about the next projects. It's going to be a couple years before we can restore our entire monastery, but I hope that you're as excited as we are and you'll continue to support these projects.